Professionals and amateurs look at the same market data. The difference in results comes down entirely to internal execution, rather than external technical analysis. Compare a proven system's mathematical potential to the money a trader actually keeps. That massive disparity is the profit gap. Biologically wired to avoid pain, traders manifest 4 fears: being wrong, losing money, missing out, and leaving money on the table. These fears destroy capital. You cannot solve this gap by acquiring more technical knowledge. The market is an endless stream of volatile variables. The only variable you can actually control is your own mind. To eliminate those fears, you have to adopt the casino mindset. This requires shifting your objective from trying to predict the future to simply executing a probability. In roulette, the casino doesn't know or care about the outcome of a single spin. Each event is random, but at the macro level, they possess a mathematical edge. Over a large sample size, that edge guarantees profit, easily absorbing short-term losses. When you trust the math over a massive sample size, you permanently detach your ego from the outcome of any single trade. Operating like a casino requires you to overwrite standard human instincts with 5 fundamental truths of market behavior. First, anything can happen at any time. Second, you do not need to know what happens next in order to make money. Third, wins and losses are completely randomly distributed. Fourth, a trading edge is simply a higher probability of one thing happening over another. Finally, the 5th truth: every moment is entirely unique. A past loss has absolutely zero correlation to the setup right in front of you. When your expectations align with the market's inherent uncertainty, the potential for pain vanishes. Without a perceived threat, there is no trigger for fear. The zone is a state of mental mastery where trade execution happens mechanically, free of hesitation or internal conflict. You engineer this state by predefining and accepting risk before the trade begins. Put this into practice. Execute a 20-trade sample size of your specific edge flawlessly. Refuse to alter your rules or break your risk parameters, regardless of individual outcomes. The market is completely neutral. To extract consistent results from it, you must impose your own internal structure.